Hi, welcome to T-Bone's Records and Cafe. I'm Billy Burkes, assistant manager here at the store. Today we're going to run you through how to make one of our favorite cold brew drinks, a layup. So the first thing we'll do is grab our house-made cold brew. This is made in-house almost every single day. So the first thing we'll do is fill up a cup of ice. We'll go halfway up the cup. That's our layup strength. If you want something a little bit weaker, we can do a cold brew, which will be about a third of the way up with our cold brew. If you want to get really serious with it, we can do a jam, which is 75% cold brew, and the rest will be milk and flavor, however you like it. Now, we're just using whole milk for this one. We do have a variety of milks, including 3 great non-dairy options. For this one, we're going to use just classic vanilla, although we do have about 30 different flavors that we can use in any of these drinks that you like. Now if you want to follow me over here to the sink, we'll go to the next step of this. So now that we have our milk, our cold brew, and our flavors into our cup, our next step is to toss the drink. Our secret to tossing these drinks is we want to toss it as roughly and as violently as possible. That way everything gets mixed in very, very well, so you have one cohesive drink rather than just milk and coffee. And that's the secret to making T-Bone's cold brew so smooth and silky. And that is how T-Bone's legendary cold brew is made. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to see you soon.
I'll take that.